This is my Skoda Octavia, well, 2008, and we're gonna remove old cabin filter and replace it to new one. Okay, and replace it to new one. This is new one. This is new one. This is new one cabin filter. Airflow. Okay, nice. Let's start the process. There are two, probably one or two. One, just one. Where is other? I don't know. Just one. Okay. I'm gonna replace it. Shit. Okay, we're gonna replace it. And we're gonna remove this part. Okay, we're gonna remove this part and we're gonna remove this part, yes? To side, yes. Side by side, yes. Oh wow, a lot of dust here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Cool. Okay. Okay, looks like that. Okay. Nice. And let's take new one. This filter even have no watermarks or something. No clear text on it. Okay, we're gonna remove it to new one. We're gonna remove it, place it. Okay. And we're gonna on the side this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Remove this one. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna remove these parts. Okay. Let's take new one into this deck. Into this deck, okay. Into this deck. Yes. Okay. Into this deck and this cover. Okay, and cover on. Okay, and the cover on. Okay, and that's all. Okay, and this one to this side. Yes, and so on. Well, I hope you understand me. See you next time in a new interesting video. The way how to replace cabin air filter.